Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I have a couple Christmas journals. These are decorate it yourself Christmas journals, DIY journals, and both of them have, you can remove the picture if you wanted to and change the picture out if you wanted to. So we'll look through these. They don't have any pockets or tucks. It's all left up for the person who wants to buy them to decorate them and make them their own. I took some vintage fabric and put it over printed cardstock. I think that came out kind of cool and real Christmassy looking. And then of course I put the frame, and like I said, you can take that picture in and out. I made some really pretty flowers. That's sparkly cardstock, some silver snowflakes, and some crystals in the center of the flowers. And then inside is some real pretty Christmas paper. It's all been tea stained. This is some foil Christmas paper. I just try to pick really pretty patterns that you could use to decorate a little snowman. And then some Christmas music. It came upon a midnight clear on this side. A doily. There's a doily in each one. Some Christmas presents. Some candy canes and the center of the signature. And then the rest of the papers are all the same, except for we'll look at the music, see what it's on this side. On this side, it's A Little Town of Bethlehem. There you go with that one. And this one I did in green. The same thing, vintage fabric over cardstock. It's really pretty embroidered fabric. Some pretty flowers, sparkly cardstock, pretty silver centers, a little silver star, and some snowflakes. And these sparkle a lot, these sparkle a lot. Sometimes you can't tell on the video. This sparkles a lot, so it really sparkles a lot. There's still a lot of room if you wanted to add some things to there and do some more there. The paper is a lot alike, but there's a couple little differences. Like this is green foil. They might be in a little different place in the book, and the music is different. This is A Carol for Christmas Eve on this one. I think I got a lot of the same papers, but I just put them in different places in each book. And a doily. Some lined Christmas paper. So lots of room to decorate and make it pretty, but it's all sewn in. Oh, it'll have at least 30 pages and 60 doubled. So I should have said that from the beginning. The center of the signature, and then the Christmas music on this side is We Three Kings of Orient Are. So there you go. There'll be a link in the description box below this video if you're at all interested. And I hope you guys are having a really good crafting day, and I really appreciate you stopping by, and thank you so much. Take care.